Hey guys, so today I'm sharing what a full day looks like as a hair business owner, pretty much balancing work, family, and also self-care. I feel like fitting self-care in daily helps, whether it's, shaving your legs, doing your nails, filing your nails, a mini facial from home. I try to do at least one of them at each day. It makes me feel good. I also forgot to mention that today is a full body workout day, so I'll be doing upper and lower today, and also a little, I think 10 minutes cardio. So after my workout, it's time to get back home to drop my girls off at school. I love having these small moments in the morning to connect with my girls, especially before a busy work day. So now I'm headed to the salon for a wash and style appointment. Of course, you know the hair I used in this video is from my raw hair company, Luxury Hair Silhouette, and the texture I'm wearing is 326-inch LHS Vietnamese Straight Bundles. Can you believe this is the 4th time reusing this hair? I'll link it below if you're looking for quality raw hair that you can reuse over and over. What I love about this hair is that it is literally thick from the top to the bottom. I decided to do curls today because this hair holds curls for literally days, and at least it'll give me time to do other things than styling my hair. So if you're a girly that always has to worry about your hair falling flat while you're out at an event, you need to get this hair. Like, get it now. Like, seriously, it's 2024. There's no reason for you to be dealing with that no more. With raw hair in the game. For girls that know, you know. So here is the finished look. As you can see, I am loving the results, and of course Tasha did a great job. The best thing about my hair extensions is that with proper care, it will last you 5 years. So I'll be using this hair on my next install. So it's 1:30 and I'm headed back to pick up my girls from school. Okay, now I'm back home and it's time to tackle one of the most important aspects of my business, which is inventory management. So I received a shipment from my raw hair vendor. These are my raw Cambodian wavy bundles. And by the time I post this video, they have been already restocked. You can find them on my site. These are my LHS Cambodian Luxe Natural Wave bundles. I do offer single bundles and bundle deals. So when I'm going through my quality control checks, I'm inspecting each bundle carefully, looking at the texture, the weight, and the overall appearance to ensure that they are up to my standards of what my customers expect. I'll also be co-washing these bundles tomorrow, so if you're interested in a very detailed tutorial on how I do it, drop a comment below. Just in case you're new here, for every order I make sure I co-wash your hair before you get it so it is ready for install. Now I'm headed to my favorite nail salon for some much needed pampering. I was running a little late, so I hopped on the 407 to reach on time. The nail salon I went to is called Nailed It Studios. And of course I had to record the fall decor because I'm obsessed with fall. I love it. I just love the coziness. I love the horror movies. I love Halloween. All of it. Okay, so today I booked the classic nude with gold chrome on acrylic. The length I went for was medium. I didn't want them too long, and the shape is stiletto. And here are my nails, guys. I love them. They're very demure. Now I'm headed back home to package up some orders that I need to ship out tomorrow morning. I always like to double check each order for accuracy to make sure that every bundle is in great condition before it goes out to my customers. This is a moment where all my hard work feels real, knowing that these packages will be a part of our LHS Babes hair transformation. I feel so blessed to have this little community where I have girls literally sending me their hair pictures, their videos, leaving DMs, reviews, comments on my posts, everything. I just love it. I love how I'm growing. I love how long it takes for me to grow. I'm very grateful. With all the orders all packed up, normally I like to unwind with a little bit of Netflix with my husband. As soon as I laid back in bed, I got an order notification from one of my LHS babes. There is no better feeling than ending the day with a new order. It's a reminder that the hard work that I do is worth it. Anyways, it's been a long and productive day. For those juggling business, family, self-care, my biggest tip is to find a routine that works for you. Prioritize staying organized and also taking time for yourself. It's so essential. If you enjoyed spending the day with me, let me know your favorite part in the comments below. If you'd like to see a video on how I co-wash my hair inventory, or you have any questions about running a hair business, comment below and I'll definitely answer. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any of my new uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.